somewhere except for.
What do you think you're doing, Dad?
We were talking about trying to go vending machine.
Yeah, we can't be doing that around here.
Whoa, come on, not cool. Trying to go vending yourself.
You'll go back to where you came from,
No.
man. Yeah. Yeah, and get off the...
No, I'm gonna turn
No, get out of here. Oh, I see you're trying to use a vending machine.
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, see, you know what you have to do? Answer my one simple riddle.
So what's real?
I stand still, but I can move your cravings. I take coins, but I don't talk. Fail.
A kitchen?
Unfortunately, you are wrong, and I forgot to mention, you only have 3 guesses, and you already used one of them, so 2 more.
Oh shoot, only 2 guesses. Alright. I guess a restaurant?
Unfortunately, that is incorrect, and now you only have 1 more guess.
Oh no, 1 more guess. Vending machine.
Congratulations, you got that correct.
Yo, where'd he go?
Yeah.
Bro, no way this thing's broken. Bro, whatever.